Super Clean sent me some stuff to try out, so let's do just that. I purchased this van with 200,000 miles, and it was leaking almost every fluid imaginable. They've all since been repaired, so now it's time to really clean this engine up. We now have over 223,000 miles, and the only engine cleaning performed was last spring when I replaced the knock sensors and harness. It's a job that requires the intake manifold be removed, so I did my best to scrub the intake valley, the intake side of the cylinder heads, and a portion of the valve covers. And it took me all day. Anyway, let's first tackle the easy stuff. I do wash under the hood every time I wash the van, so there shouldn't be too much going on in here. I'll still give it a once over with a Super Clean though. Wow, actually looks really good. You really shouldn't use Super Clean on painted surfaces, but the bottom of the hood I have scrubbed multiple times with my regular car wash and pressure washer to no avail, and looks really good now. Anyway, let's tackle the real grease monster inside the van. looks almost new. This side, not so much. It's a shame to put the doghouse back on. But speaking of that, I know anytime there's an engine cleaning video, the people always say engines can't get wet, it won't run right. Sounds pretty smooth to me. Afterwards, you always want to check for any gaps, which you should be able to hear pretty clearly if there are any. White as a mouse. So there you have it, 223,000 miles, looking like 223 miles. Huge shout out to Super Clean for sending out the good stuff, and thank you for watching.